Hello everyone, this is Colette with True Door Property Management. Today we're at 1807 Ladrillo Aisle in Irvine, California. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo. As you walk in, you are greeted by the living room with the fireplace. There's lots of windows in here, so there's a lot of natural light. There's a ceiling fan in the dining room area, very tall ceilings, hardwood flooring throughout except for in the bathroom. There is central heat and AC in here. Your kitchen is equipped with all the appliances that you'll need: microwave, stove, oven, dishwasher, refrigerator, under cabinet lighting. To the left here, down the hall, we have our first bedroom. Tall ceilings, ceiling fan in here as well. Closet, lots of natural light. Across the way, we have our washing machine, dryer, cabinets inside the laundry room. We have some cabinets here in the hallway for some storage. To the right, we have our bathroom with our double vanity sink, tub, shower, toilet with a door for privacy. All right, and here is our primary bedroom. Tall ceilings in here as well. Ceiling fan, lots of windows for natural light. Pretty large room with a walk-in closet as well that has plenty of shelves and hanging space. This unit does come with 2 single-car garages for parking. They are both right below us. It has a community pool, community jacuzzi. Again, this is 1807 Ladrillo Aisle in Irvine, California. 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Comes with 2 single-car garages, pool, spa, and everything you need. For more information, feel free to visit our website at truedoorpm.com.